Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd. What is going on? Looking at forexfactory.com calendar, looking for events that might affect the U.S. markets. As you can see, we have one at 10 a.m., a red item, the JOLTS job openings, which is a something that the Fed looks at for labor. We'll also have factory orders month over month. All day long, we'll have the Ward's total vehicle sales, which is a summation of all the different manufacturers. That'll be released as it comes in, as it happens. 1:30, we have FOMC member Cash Carey speaking. 2 p.m., we have the Beige Book. 4:30 API Weekly Statistics Bulletin. That is it for the U.S. Also notice that all of these other items are yellow, which is low impact items, with the one high impact item of the JOLTS job openings at 10. So be aware at 10 a.m. Looking at the daily chart, we had a big wicked kind of day yesterday, big down day, but they came back about halfway. Did not close above the 20-day moving average. However, we are now gapping above the 20-day moving average. So all bullish still. We did hold this little grouping of lows. So now that kind of becomes a line in the sand. So below 63.70 looks really ugly. As long as we stay above that, at least moving sideways to up. Yeah, that is the story there. Looking at the inventory. So inventory yesterday was just slightly negative on down price action. So that's correlated, and that's the way it's supposed to be. Kind of surprising in that we had a down day, even though we had a big move to the upside in the afternoon. It was not enough to overcome this big move to the downside earlier in the day and the overnight session. So there you have it. Inventory, I should say overnight action here, 35 points. That is above average. Where do we have support and resistance? So resistance on the top side, 64.70, 64.74. Confluence at 64.83. More confluence at 64.95. Of course, 6509 is a major number on the top side. Bottom side, support. Where we got support? 6420, just below 6410, 6406. 6400 is the big round number. Everybody's be watching that. There's a little grouping of areas that's about 10 points between 6395 and 6384. That there's a pretty decent amount of support there. So we'll see how that happens. Of course, also there's some confluence at 63.73, which is around yesterday's low. So that's the story there. Stock Traders Almanac, 47.6. So a negative bias for today, Wednesday, September 3rd. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.